But the Aeries website, once again, aeries.iusd.org. Okay, once we're into Aeries, then we're going to go to the left-hand side and click on Gradebook. Once we're in Gradebook, then we've got some choices here. I'll add a gradebook. Now you'll notice I already have my gradebooks in here, but we'll just pretend I don't. So when you add a gradebook, you're going to type in the name of the gradebook you want to add. I'll type in Honors Integrated Science 1A. Now once I type in the name, I want to associate that gradebook, that name, with one of my classes. So I'll click on one of these, and automatically then the correct period number is placed and the correct fall or spring is placed with my gradebook. So I've now made my new gradebook. You want to do this for each one of your classes. Have a gradebook for each one of your classes. And at the bottom here, don't forget, click the Save button. Once we have named all of our gradebooks and associated an actual class with that gradebook, now we're going to link together the gradebooks. Those that are similar class, we want to link together. So I'm going to go up here, once again, to the tabs and click on Link Gradebooks. So those gradebooks that are all the same class, we want to group them together. So I'm going to group together my Honors Integrated Science classes. I have 3 periods, period 1, 3, and 5. So I'm going to give them a group number of 1. And I'll do the same thing with my chemistry courses. I've got 2 of those, period 2 and 4. I want to link those together. I'll give them a group number of 2. And once again, click Save. Now I'm ready to set up my categories for my classes, and since I've linked together all my different periods that are of the same class, whatever I do to one of those classes will occur for the other classes as well. So I'm going to go here to Integrated Science 1, my first period class. I'm going to manage the gradebook. Here we have a lot of choices on the top. I want to go to Categories. Now I've already set mine up, so yours won't look like this. It should be blank. I have weighted categories. So if you don't want to have weighted categories, you would uncheck this box. It's probably unchecked for you already. But if you want to have weighted categories, you'll check it, and then it gives you the opportunity to put values in for all of your categories. So you don't have any categories, so if you want to add a category, click the Add New Category at the bottom, and then type in a category. Let's say Best Dresser. Great category. Should be worth 100%. And then Save. And now we're ready to add students to our gradebooks. So we're going to go at the top here and click on the tab that says Manage Students. Now you may not have a list of students down below. I've already added some of my students to all my classes except for period 0. So you'll have, though, this red, you have students to be added to or dropped from your gradebooks. You want to click on that. Click Add Students. And it'll give you a choice like this, showing all the students you have, and this is my advisement year. I'm going to add all of these guys, so you just click Save. We'll add all students. And then close. Now if I go up here to the very top, I can change the period I'm looking at. If I go to my advisement, period 0, I should see all my students. If I go to Manage Students, there they are. So I'm all set. A few other items you can look at under Options at the top here, top tab. If you click on Options, There are a lot of different things you can do here to set up your particular gradebook, and you can just read through those and make your choices. When you want to start adding assignments to your gradebook, go to the top, Dashboard, choose the period you want to add assignments to, and then click Add Assignment. So you just put your name of the new assignment in there, and let's call this assignment the hardest assignment ever. And describe it here. Description would be, easy word, A-N-C-H-O-R. Is that how you spell anchor? Yeah, that's pretty good. There you go. So explore, have fun, ask us questions.